Plenary of judges was convened on the 9th of June. It was yesterday to consider the application. So, dininig nila. Sinabi nila, based on that, through the President, Judge Tomoko Akane, sinabi niya, who rendered the decision, sinabi na, the plenary of judges acting unanimously decided to reject the application. Huh? Why? They reject the decision, guys. They said the plenary of judges acting unanimously decided to reject the application. That's very sad. My God. Grabe naman yung mga pagsulay, you know. People need to know about this. Oh my God. Putragis. Mabaga mo na ang animal mo. Ano yung likuan. I'm curious how they arrived. As before, nagbigay from defense charge. In the case of pagkasad o animal. Dapat kini ma-interview ni si Kaufman because we need to know what's the next step here. Grabe kasad, no? Guys, so latest update. You really need to share that latest update, no? Because I'm pretty sure that the whole the whole country right now is very focused on. Look what they're doing. They're very focused right now with the Senate. Very sad. I find it very sad talaga, guys. Because it would have been very positive. So what they're doing right now is that you need to share this live and also the post para ma-aware ang mga tao. So basically, there's a new update with respect to the ICC case, Rodrigo Roa Duterte versus the prosecution team. Okay, so hear me out. Okay, i-compose na ako kung self kay murag na emotional ako gamay. The lead counsel of the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte filed a motion on May 1 to challenge with respect to jurisdiction. On the same day, he also filed a motion to partially disqualify 2 of the 3 judges, which composes the pre-trial chamber 1. Now, the decision of the second motion to partially excuse those judges were outright dismissed. Now, another motion was filed. It's called an application by the lead counsel as well. Now, this time, to disqualify, not partially excuse. Ano bang kaibahan? Pag partially excuse, they are only they are removed from the adjudicating the first motion to challenge with respect to jurisdiction. Sabi nila, hindi yan pwede kasi hindi dapat ang legal recourse. Dapat ang magsasabi niyan or pwede lang makagawa niyan yung judges. So, ang ginawa nila ngayon, doon na naman sila sa another motion to really disqualify, asking the presidency to disqualify these two judges. Ano bang mangyayari sana kung grant sila ng motion na yun, or they call it application? Kukuha sila ng dalawang judges from other chamber, isasala nila sa Pretrial Chamber 1. Then yung new composition ng Pretrial Chamber 1 will adjudicate or will decide on the motion to challenge jurisdiction. However, there is just an outright communication right now through the court record. Sinasabi nila, decision on the corrigendum to request for the disqualification of Judge Reyna Gansuo, and which is, by the way, Gansuo is one of the 4 judges sanctioned by America, and another Judge Flores to be disqualified with respect to making decisions doon sa challenge with respect to jurisdiction. Ano bang nangyari? Sabi ng korte ngayon, the plenary of judges of the International Criminal Court has before it an application filed. Ibig sabihin, yung plenary of judges, lahat po ng mga judge, they convened on a plenary session para dinggin yung application or yung motion filed by Mr. Rodrigo Roa Duterte requesting these 2 judges to be disqualified. Ano po sinabi ng with respect to adjudicating doon nga sa motion for challenge jurisdiction. Kung sabi dito na a plenary of judges was convened on the 9th of June, it was yesterday, to consider the application. So, dininig nila, sinabi nila, based on that, through the President, Judge Tomoko Akane, sinabi niya, who rendered the decision, sinabi na, the plenary of judges acting unanimously decided to reject the application. A fully reasoned decision of the plenary will follow. So, wala pa po yung fully reasoned. So, alam na po natin na nireject nila, but we are awaiting doon sa, ano ba yung reasons, grounds, bakit nila nireject yung decision na yon ng mga animal sila. Yon ang totoo. Decision pa lang po yung pinalabas. Pwede ba sila mag-motion for reconsideration? Yan, ang dami na siguro tanong yawa. Pangabastos ng animal. Yeah. I already, Delmar Garcia, I already wrote about the written observation of the prosecution with respect to the challenge doon sa challenge with respect to jurisdiction. They already have several grounds on their counter arguments within the submission of the defense team.